Biomass is one of the largest sources of renewable energy globally. How do Valmet's BioTrac and Valmet's DNAe automation systems help you transition away from fossil fuels? To begin, feedstock from biomass sources, such as plant residuals and forest waste, are brought to processing facilities. They are then sized for optimal feed to the BioTrac. The BioTrac system then converts the material for renewable product development and can be further processed to produce many fuel sources. Next, waste biomass undergoes enzymatic hydrolysis to break down plant leftovers into sugars. The sugars are then fermented into ethanol, which is ultimately purified to use as biofuel. The steam-treated material is pelletized, producing black pellets, which are a sustainable resource and a direct replacement for coal in boilers. Once produced, the black pellets are then transferred to power generation sites, where they are fed into the boiler to generate renewable power. Valmet DNAe Distributed Control System is used to monitor and control the entire process and features modular architecture, seamless integration, advanced optimization and performance, intuitive design, and IoT capabilities.